Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this stitch effect. I had somebody say, well, you could use the step and repeat or the rotation docker and transformation. And yes, you could. I don't know if it's going to help you, but you'd have to do a little bit of math in your head. But let's just go to dockers and open up the transformation docker. We need to rotate this thing 90 degrees to get them to touch. But we only have, since we got 4 corners, we only have to go 45 copies to get there. Now, it would save you, control, duplicate. So we need 45. We've already got one, so we just do 44 and bam, you have it. So we can take the circle out of the way and we have our effect. Now you could do the same thing with any. This has 6 sides, so it's 60 degrees, so we only need 30, so we only need 29. It is a little quicker, especially if you're used to using the transformation docker. It's a real powerful tool, and then just take that and weld and you've got your stitch. And you could do it with any cornered shape, like we did a triangle this morning. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.